Be aware with what you think, and what would be the way of being more balanced every day. Trying to be more neutral, trying not to be judging reality and not having many beliefs and values all the time, like when you are listening to somebody, because that will come automatically, because that's a survival program, like to judge a situation to see if it's safe or not. But then when we do it like a practice, judgments about people and about things, and that makes us more and more worried, yeah? So it's better like to let loose our judgments and very rigid values and just be neutral, like observing, like contemplating reality, yes? And that will change little by little the way that we feel. You will notice we will live much more relaxed. Of course, our survival instincts will keep on helping us. But the idea is that the double bring us more information from new futures and going out of these survival programs of the instinct of the past and trying to bring us more future possibilities to live according to our talents, to our abilities, to our deep purpose in life, because it will be really having much more answers if we let him be working in a high speed and not keeping him trapped in the matrix of the past, repeating the same old programs and the same old beliefs about reality. So we let loose our vision of reality, and we are like a child contemplating the world like with a very innocent smile and trying like to be very much in the present, letting our past or frequency of the past loose and letting more this frequency of the future that has been activated because we are arriving at the end of a solar cycle of 25,000 years approximately. And that's why there is a kind of acceleration effect in universe for which we are receiving more solar explosions. The frequency of the planet, the elevated, the Schumann frequency, and we connect with that frequency through our neurology, like electromagnetic wave. So we are changing our perception of reality because more of our brain is being active and activating more functions slowly. And that's sometimes some people call it change of paradigm, change of era, because we are going to be able to receive more information and quicker.